Welcome to the future of IoT with Neuron and Hedera. Neuron's SDK is revolutionizing the way we track aircraft and drones by leveraging Hedera's powerful decentralized network. Imagine a seamless, secure, and efficient way to monitor and manage air traffic, built on cutting-edge Web3 technology. With Neuron's decentralized service network infrastructure, enterprises can now create their own peer-to-peer service networks, transforming the connected economy. Trust, efficiency, and innovation are at the forefront, offering groundbreaking solutions for the IoT landscape. Join the movement and explore how Neuron is leading the way in decentralized physical infrastructure networks.